right in front of a little door.
Well, this is where the white rabbit lives. I have to get in.
Yo! You smushed my schnozola!
I'm very sorry, but I have to find the white rabbit.
Oh, who taught you to go around mashing on people's proboscis?
You're not a person, you're a piece of housing material.
Doorknobs have feelings too.
I'm very sorry I smushed your proboscis, but I have to find the white rabbit.
You're far too big to enter Wonderland.
Oh, no, but I just have to get in. I just have to.
Don't cry, please don't cry. Maybe if you drank some of the magic potion in the floating nearby bottle, you might fit in.
Remember, Alice, look before you leave. I really don't know what's in this bottle, but it looks so pretty. But it could be poison, or mayonnaise, or floor polish, or a frothy combination of all three. But I have to find the white rabbit. Well, if you don't explore, you'll never discover. Bottoms up.
With one gulp of that drink, Alice shrank to 3 inches tall. You eat 3 inches short.
That's a very tall 3 inches. Oh, look at me. I'm the right size.
Someone forgot about the key way up there on that shelf.
Oh, no. Now I'm too small to reach the key.
Please try to suppress your emotional outbursts. Have a cookie.
Well, it looks delicious, but how do I know what's in it? Don't be silly, Alice. What harm can one cookie do?
Alice was so big that one bite that she filled the entire room.
You're too big. Sorry, kids. We'll never fit into Wonderland. Drop into it.
But I just wanted to see the white rabbit.
Alice cried and cried and cried and cried and cried.